Hello and welcome to the Beerman Fan TV. I'm Andravro. It's time now for the international player ratings about Junmar Fajardo's stint as a Gilas player. Si Junmar Fajardo ay last year po sa 2015 FIBA Asia Championship sa China. Last year, nakascore siya ng 10 points to 16 point range in between their statistics, which means he scored 13.7 points per game in itong laro na ito. Pero ngayon this year, medyo mahinang Fajardo ang nakita natin. He finishes 2 scoring points in just 6 games. So two out of 6 games where Fajardo had scored, which means 7 or 8 points in the first game, and the last game is 11 points. So ang resulta will be 8.5 points per game. So overall, it will be a difference of 9.3 points per game. Masyadong mababa. Pero good improvement naman itong Gilas Pilipinas, especially kay Junmar Fajardo. Well, it's a very close game and very exaggerated Fajardo can be seen in the last 2 games of the Olympic qualifying. Hindi siya naglalaro nung the last 4 games, even in the pocket tournament last June, especially in these 3 friendly games that we ever happened on Gilas game. So, nasa kamay ni Junmar Fajardo ang pagkakataon na ito. I hope next year, Fajardo will get improved one day. Anyway, let us tell us comment section below. Like us on Facebook, facebook.com/theBeermanFunTV. I'm Andravro and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.